Hi, this is Radhakrishnan. I'm a trustee with VXL Educational Trust. We've been helping children with special needs for over 2 decades now. This is our 20th year. Please check out our website, vxl.org. You've all been watching Tarang that has been brought to you by our teacher, Usha Suresh, and the person that's behind Tarang coordinating, bringing in all the artists for you. This week, as part of the special Disabilities Day, we bring you Tarang, the special event on December 3rd, that's Friday, at 7 p.m. PST United States time, and at 8:30 a.m. on December 4th, that's Saturday Indian Standard Time. Thank you so much for watching, and we all look forward to seeing you there. Thank you very much for your support.